in tribute to the Peanut Butter Falcon, which comes out August 9th. We're making these cute little cookies to look like falcons. And they're peanut butter cookies. So get it?
Peanut Butter Falcon!
That's the idea.
Hey, what's rule number 1? Party? No, not party.
First off, I started by taking my dry ingredients and sifting them together, which just consisted of the flour and the salt. So I put that aside, and then I started to cream my butters and sugar together. So the butters included the peanut butter and then the margarine with the granulated sugar, and that developed into a delicious smelling concoction. I added my egg into that to kind of finish out my wet ingredients, and then I added that to my dry ingredients to make a nice looking dough, which it smelled so good and it looked so good, and I had maybe a little taste of it. It's not recommended, and I'm usually really good. I don't eat raw dough, but I decided to just, you know what, just live life on the edge today and try it, and it was worth it. Well, hopefully. If I get salmonella, probably will regret doing it, but for now, if I'm healthy, no regrets. All right, so it made a nice looking dough, and I kind of started to roll it out. It got really soft and heated up really fast with just the warmth of my hands, and so I decided, all right, I'm gonna stick it in the fridge, and right now I'm waiting for it in the fridge. For this project, I got a special little cookie cutter, and I am so excited about it. I searched and searched for the perfect little design to make my cookies look like little falcons, and I got this one, and it's perfect. Can you see it? It wasn't advertised as being a falcon, and I'm not going to tell you what it's supposed to be, but I think it looks pretty darn close to being a falcon. So it's going to do its job. Yeah. Well, you know, it's been long enough. Maybe we should just pull out the cookie dough and just start rolling it, because I'm ready. Hopefully it got like a little bit colder. I guess we'll see. Oh yeah, a little cooler. Okay. So we're just gonna spread it out, and then I'm going to use my little glass here to roll it out more. And I only made a half a batch because this is going to be more than enough cookies. You know, it's just my husband and I here, so we don't want the temptation of having, you know, like 8 dozen cookies around here. I made a half batch, so it'll be 4 dozen. I don't know how many dozen it makes. And I don't know how thick I'm trying to do this. I want them like have like a little thickness to them, so. Okay, and you know, while I'm doing this, I thought I'd take a second to talk about how excited I am for the Peanut Butter Falcon, because it looks like a great movie. It looks like a fun movie. But you know what? More importantly, Shy is back. We haven't seen him in so long, and I've been waiting to see him in something, and he's in something now, and I couldn't be happier. I really like a lot of his movies. I started watching, because I was looking over his movies today, and I realized I never saw American Honey. I mean, the cover of it looked really cool, so I was like, oh, all right, I want to watch that. So I started watching American Honey. I only had time to watch a third of it, which you would think, well, that's not very much, but it is an hour of the movie, because that movie is almost 3 hours long. I'm still watching it and I really like it so far. I mean, no surprise. I started watching Shia when he was on Even Stevens and saw him like in Disney movies and stuff. Yeah, I really liked him in Disturbia, really liked him in Eagle Eye and Charlie Countryman. Yeah, just to name a few. Oh my goodness, that's so cute! So that's our little falcon. Hopefully it retains its shape. Oh no! Oh my god! Falcon! Ah, he lost a little wing. Oh my god! So I'm gonna put the first batch into the oven and cook them and see how it comes out. Hopefully awesome. Hoping for that. So the cookies came out awesome. It's now time to ice. All right. I'm gonna try to show you these without having them fall off the plate. But look at these beautiful little falcon cookies. So I think we are going to start with the white. Okay, so that's like my attempt number 1. The icing was not very nice to me. Maybe we could try to do one that's all black this time. So here's another attempt at a falcon. This one obviously is black and white this time instead of the gray and white. Here's 2 different attempts. So you guys, we did it. We made little peanut butter falcons. We got the great little peanut butter cookie and the falcon design on it in tribute to the peanut butter falcon. So I'll see you guys all next time. Wave goodbye. Bye. Bye guys.